Evening falls on our small town. Kitchen lights and coffee grounds. Dusty board games on the shelf. It's time to lose our busy selves. Grandma's laugh, it fills the air. Brother's looking for his lucky pair. Mama's got the dice in her hand, rolling fate on this piece of land. Roll the dice, let them fly, see where they land. Don't ask why. In this simple life we find peace in the road, time alive. Candle flickers on game night. Simple joys, no end in sight. Picking pieces, moving slow. Kids grow fast, but here they glow. Daddy's grin says he's the champ. Sister's eyes light like a lamp. Passing turns, we laugh and tease. Every moment a small town breeze. Roll the dice, let them fly, see where they land. Don't ask why. In this simple life we find peace in the road, time alive. Daddy's grin says he's the champ. Sister's eyes light like a lamp. Passing turns, we laugh and tease. Every moment a small town breeze. Roll the dice, let them fly, see where they land. Don't ask why. In this simple life we find peace in the road, time alive. In a one-horse town where the river winds, I used to sit and watch the trains go by. Mama said, child, keep a dream in mind. One day you'll kiss the small town goodbye. I've worked the fields till the sun lay low, sweating out the worry in the cool night breeze. He'd say, son, don't fear the seed you sow. With hard work, you can be whatever you please. Chasing dreams underneath the same old sky, sweating out the worry in the cool night breeze. He'd say, son, don't fear the seed you sow. With hard work, you can be whatever you please. Chasing dreams underneath the same old sky, running down that road where freedom lies. Even if the road gets rough and steep, with a heart full of fire, you gotta believe. Grandma's porcelain had stories of gold, of dreams that led her through the hard years. She'd say, child, don't let your dreams grow old. Laughter and tears will chase off your fears. The bright city lights were a distant call as I packed my bags in the dead of night. Left behind that small town and its walls for a future drawn by my heart's own light. Chasing dreams under the same old sky, running down that road where freedom lies. Even if the road gets rough and steep, with a heart full of fire, you gotta believe. porch swing had stories of gold, of dreams that led her through the hard years. She'd say, child, don't let your dreams grow old. Laughter and tears will chase off your fears. The bright city lights were a distant call as I packed my bags in the dead of night. Left behind that small town and its walls for a future drawn by my heart's own light. Chasing dreams under the same old sky, running down that road where freedom lies. Leave her even if the road gets rough and steep. With a heart full of fire, you gotta believe. Down by the old oak tree where the shadows lay, the sheriff rides through at the end of the day. Dust on his boots and a star on his chest. He's given his all, now he seeks out his rest. The town's grown quiet, just whispers in the breeze. The sheriff's smile fades with memories that tease. Once stood for justice with his hand on his gun. Now it all feels like a long forgotten run. Oh, the sheriff's last ride under the Tennessee sky. Stories of courage and days gone by. He's a lonely figure against the setting sun. This small town hero's work is finally done. He recalls the nights when trouble came to town. With steady hands, he put the bad men down. Now he yearns for peace, a gentle, tender touch, worn by the battles that just took too much. Morning brings hope, but he's known to share his sorrow. Another man's burden he borrows tomorrow. Hay fields and fences, they call him back home. In the heart of the country, no longer alone. Oh, the sheriff's last ride under the Tennessee sky. Stories of courage and days gone by. He's a lonely figure against the setting sun. This small town hero's work is finally done. And he recalls the nights when trouble came to town. With steady hands, he put the bad men down. Now he yearns for peace, a gentle, tender touch, worn by the battles that just took too much. Morning brings hope, but he's known to share sorrow. Another man's burden he borrows tomorrow.
On a dusty old road where the wildflowers grow, I first saw the glimmer in your eyes, sweet glow. Your smile hit me like a warm summer breeze. Darling, be my baby, would you please?
At the old county fair, under soft neon lights, danced till the stars bowed out for the night. Your laughter was music, pure and so fine. Be my baby and let two hearts combine. Be my baby through the storm and the sun. We'll build a love that can't be undone. Hand in hand, forever we'll roam. Be my baby, my heart's only home. In a small chapel by the creek's gentle flow, we'll say our vows for eternity to show. Under God's watch with family around. Be my baby and love will abound. We'll rock on the porch when our hair turns gray, through every tear and joyful day. Our love's a story, timeless and true. Be my baby, I'll always love you. Be my baby through the storm and the sun. We'll build a love that can't be undone. Hand in hand, forever we'll roam. Be my baby, my heart's only home. Going down the main street, past the rusty old barn, crickets singing in the evening, town feeling so warm. Tuning into that old radio, melody so clear. In between the song lines, the local news would appear. Mama reads the paper, sipping on sweet iced tea. Papa's fixing the tractor, the radio next to his knee. Little Joe kicks a can, learning old country tunes. Sun setting slow under a big bright moon. Country music on the radio, small town news and print. Bring it life to the simple joys where our days are spent. Stories of our neighbors shared with a soulful cruise. Underneath the stars, by the light of the old saloon. Miss Daisy won the pie, babe. It's on the front page. Johnny's gone to Nashville, dreams can't be caged. Local heroes, whippers shared with a soulful crew. Underneath the stars, by the light of the old saloon. Miss Daisy won the pie, babe. It's on the front page. Johnny's gone to Nashville, dreams can't be caged. Local heroes, whispers, secrets, trials and jubilee. Each headline a story, a piece of our history. The DJ's voice, warm as a firelight's glow, reading obituaries, love and loss in the flow. Between Merle and Dolly, spinning tales so true. Life here in the valley, through the songs it grew. Country music on the radio, small town news and print. Bring a light to the simple joys where our days are spent. of our neighbors, share with a soulful crew. Underneath the stars, by the light of the old saloon. Out of Nashville with a heart full of ache, dreams in my pocket, guitar at my stake. Looking down at fields where the tall grass waves, small towns below like snapshots saved. Clouds rolling by like yesterday's news. City lights fade, traded for sky blues. Onward I soar, chasing a distant star. Nashville song stays close to my heart. Skyward bound, free as a lonesome dove, miles away from the roots I love. Every horizon tells a brand new tale, but the heart of home forever prevails. Pilot's voice crackles through the overhead hum, talking weather and time while my thoughts are numb. Memories of front porches and Sunday pie. There's a piece of home that ever prevails. A stranger beside me, he's got weary eyes. Silent stories of life told through skies. We share a night, sharing life's brief hiatus. Two souls afloat in the wide open wide. Skyward bound, free as a lonesome dove, miles away from the roots I love. Every horizon tells a brand new tale, but the heart of home forever prevails. Stranger beside me, he's got weary eyes. Silent stories of life told through skies. We share a night, sharing life's brief hiatus. Two souls afloat. Underneath the starry skies, the moonlight fills our view. With every breath I take, my heart just beats for you. Down that old dirt road where the wildflowers grew, a love is sweet and pure, it can only be for you. Mornings on the porch swing, coffee cup in hand, we talk about our dreams and plans we've yet to land. Laughter in the kitchen, a life we always knew. Every single moment, it's always been just you. Only you can light my way through the darkest nights. Only you can make me stay and never lose sight. In this small town life we lead, where the simple things are true, I'm forever grateful, babe, that I've got only you. Walking by the river where memories flow like leaves, in your arms I find my strength, my heart upon my sleeve. The creaking of the barn, the whispers in the breeze, a life that's full and rich. It's all because of you and me. Sunday service ringing, the choir sings our song. Hand in hand we sit there, knowing where we belong. Through every storm and sunshine, through every faded hue, I count my many blessings, and they all start with you. Only you can light my way through the darkest nights. Only you can make me stay and never lose sight. In this small town life we lead, where the simple things are true, I'm forever grateful, babe, that I've got only you. Only you can light my way through the darkest nights. Only you can make me stay and never lose sight. In this small town life we lead, where the simple things are true, I'm forever grateful, babe, that I've got only you. Rooster crows at dawn's first light, rolling out of bed, the world feels right. Tractor hums its morning song, here on the farm where we belong. Feeding the cattle, mending the fence. Life's a bit rugged, there ain't no pretense. Cornfields rustle, whispering breeze. Summers are hot, winters freeze. Home on the farm, where my heart's at ease. Wide open skies, neath the tall oak trees. Simple life, where love's always warm. There's nowhere like home on the farm. Grandma's baking pie, sweet apple scent. Evening sunsets, colors heaven sent. Kids run wild, chasing fireflies. Under the blanket, starry skies. Sunday morning, church bells ring. Voices in harmony, we all sing. Praying for rain, thanking the land. Living by grace, we make our stand. Home on the farm, where my heart's at ease. Wide open skies, neath the tall oak trees. Simple life, where love's always warm. There's nowhere like home on the farm. Grandma's baking pie, sweet apple scent. Evening sunsets, colors heaven sent. Kids run wild, chasing fireflies. Under the blanket of starry skies. Sunday morning, church bells ring. Voices in harmony, we all sing. Praying for rain, thanking the land. Living by grace, we make our stand. Home on the farm, where my heart's at ease. Wide open skies, neath the tall oak trees. Simple life, where love's always warm. There's nowhere like home on the farm. The sunset floating behind the pines. Orange and pink paint the sky so fine. In your arms, everything feels right. Love is strong on this summer night. The crickets sing their evening tune. We sway and dance beneath the moon. In your smile, I see my light. With you, my dear, everything feels right. Everything feels right, holding you near. Whispers of sweetness, words sincere. Heartbeats in sync, love shining bright. In your arms tonight, everything feels right. The old dirt road, we take a slow drive. Windows down, feeling so alive. Your laughter fills the air, a light it can't light. With you by my side, everything feels right. When the world feels heavy, bringing me low, your touch lifts me higher than I could ever go. In the gentle comfort, your embrace, every worry fades without a trace. Everything feels right, holding you near. Whispers of sweetness, words sincere. Heartbeats in sync, love shining bright. In your arms tonight, everything feels right. Everything feels right. Underneath the prairie sky so wide and blue, cattle grazing, winding rivers, sky so true. Grandpa's old guitar strumming near the fire, songs about simple life, never to expire. Fields of golden wheat stretching far and wide, kids playing barefoot in the cool twilight. Tractor hums a tune through the rich, dark soil. Stories of the heart where love and toil uncoil. Prairie skies where the dreams come alive. Heartbeats in the open, love starts to thrive. Underneath the endless blue, we'll always stay. In the land of prairie skies, we'll find our way. Rusty old windmill, spinning slow and proud. Creek that whispers softly, never too loud. Picnic neath the willow, shade from the high noon. Folks gather round, whistling sweet June. Evening breeze carries scent of fresh cut hay. Sunset paints the hills, end of another day. Cicadas start their song as the night draws near. Echoes of the past, crystal clear. Prairie skies where the dreams come alive. Heartbeats in the open, love starts to thrive. Underneath the endless blue, we'll always stay. In the land of prairie skies, we'll find our way. Prairie skies where the dreams come alive. Heartbeats in the open, love starts to thrive. Underneath the endless blue, we'll always stay. prairie skies will find our way. In a field by the river, where the wildflowers grow, we carved our initials in a heart on the old willow. The sun kissed your freckles, and the breeze held a tune. Loving you was easy, beneath the Tennessee moon. Your laughter was music in the summer's embrace. Eyes like the clear sky in that beautiful place. We danced in the twilight, barefoot on the grass. I dreamed of forever, wish that time wouldn't pass. Where the wildflowers grow, our hearts found a home. In the simple sweet memory, love seeds were sown. With the scent of the blossoms and the whispering trees, we promised forever under those Tennessee skies. Gathered a wild daisy you wove in your hair. Soft as the petals was the love that we shared. We sat by the water, throwing stones in the stream, caught up in the moment, just you and me. The seasons are changing, but the heart never does. Still hearing echoes of our young wild love. And though we're apart now, your memory remains like the wildflowers blooming in the soft summer rain. Where the wildflowers grow, our hearts found a home. In the simple sweet memory, love seeds were sown. With the scent of the blossoms and the whispering trees, we promised forever under those Tennessee skies. Gathered wild daisies you wove in your hair. Soft as the petals was the love that we shared. We sat by the water, throwing stones in the stream, caught up in the moment, just you and me. The seasons are changing, but the heart never does. Still hearing echoes of our young wild love. And though we're apart now, your memory remains like the wildflowers blooming in the soft summer rains.
Out on the porch, sun sinking low, wind through the trees, a gentle flow. Her laughter echoed in my mind. One summer night, your love we find. Seasons changed, and so did we. She left the town, but I stayed free. In every letter, she wrote my name. Hope in my heart, love's gentle flame. And when she came back, oh how it shined, like the first kiss, so sweet and kind. We held on tight, never letting go, missed her like rain, now there's a glow. And when she came back, oh how it shined,
first kiss, so sweet and kind. We held on tight, never letting go. Missed her like rain, now there's a glow. Nights we danced 'neath starry skies, shared dreams and whispered goodbyes. Time stood still when she returned. In her eyes, old flames burn. Years may pass, but love it stays through life's winding and dusty ways. Her heart beats strong, right by my side, as we watch the river flowing wide. And when she came back, oh how it shined, like the first kiss, so sweet and kind. We held on tight, never letting go. Missed her like rain, now there's a glow. And when she came back, oh how it shined, like the first kiss, so sweet and kind. We held on tight, never letting go. Missed her like rain, now there's a glow. Under the moonlight, by the fire's glow, I can see the years we let slip through our hands. A gravel road leading where we used to go. Echoes of past love whisper through these lands. Old letters yellow, tucked beneath my bed. Promises we made when life felt brand new. The miles in time can't erase what you said, and every path I walk leads back to you. Back to you, where the river meets the sky, where our hearts knew no lie, forever felt so true. Back to where the stars and dreams collide, no matter how far I've strayed, I'm coming back to you. The old porch swing, where our laughter used to ring, a melody of memories sweet and pure. In every song the radio would sing, I'd hear your voice, your love so sure. Old porch swing, where our laughter used to ring, a melody of memories sweet and pure. In every song the radio would sing, I'd hear your voice, your love so sure. Back roads twisting through the Tennessee night, I'm on a journey that feels like home again. With every mile your face is in my sight, I find the missing piece where our hearts begin. Back to you, where the river meets the sky, where our hearts knew no lie, forever felt so true. Back to you, where the stars and dreams collide, no matter how far I've strayed, I'm coming back to you. I'm coming back to you.
Dusty roads in endless skies, the open plains ahead, leaving trails of memories, paths we used to tread. Sunsets paint the horizon, golden as our dreams, traveling down life's highways, stitching all the seams. Small town cafes whisper tales of days that went before. Laughter around a table makes you long for more. Maple trees and rivers, they flow just like a song, finding home in every place as we move along. Home is where the heart is, no matter where you roam. Every destination, a story to be told. With every mile behind us, the journey's in our soul. Home is where the heart is, love will make it whole. Country fairs and morning mist, the autumn leaves cascade. Children chasing fireflies, moments never fade. Barn dances and front porch swings, where evening turns to night. These are the destinations where everything feels right. Fields of golden corn and wheat, mountains touch the sky. The echoes of the cricket song beneath the starry nights. Whispers of the wind across the prairie, wide and free, show that every road we take brings us home eventually. Home is where the heart is, no matter where you roam. Every destination, a story to be told. With every mile behind us, the journey's in our soul. Home is where the heart is, love will make it whole. Of golden corn and wheat, mountains touch the sky. The echoes of the cricket song beneath the starry nights. Whispers of the wind across the prairie, wide and free, show that every road we take brings us home eventually. Home is where the heart is, no matter where you roam. Every destination, story to be told. With every mile behind us, the journey's in our soul. Home is where the heart is, love will make it whole. Sunsets painting the horizon red, old boots crunching on the gravel bed. Wind carries whispers of where we've been, and it's hard to know where magic happens again. Dusty roads lead to dreams untold, barn dances with stories old. The stars find their way to light up the night in the stillness of country. Everything's right. Magic happens in these country lanes, in the fields, in the work, in the autumn rains, where love grows wild and hearts ain't pretending. Magic's in the air with country life's unending. Picnic blankets on the riverside, sweet tea sipping while the world's in stride. Guitar strumming by a crackling fire, small town living never fails to inspire. Cows are grazing in the morning dew, singing out hymns about a life you never knew. Tractors roll on day by day in this simple living. Magic finds its way. Magic happens in these country lanes, in the fields, in the work, in the autumn rains, where love grows wild and hearts ain't pretending. Magic's in the air when country life's unending. Magic happens in these country lanes, in the fields, in the work, in the autumn rains, where love grows wild and hearts ain't pretending. Magic's in the air when country life's unending. Magic happens in these country lanes, in the fields, in the work, in the autumn rains, where love grows wild and hearts ain't pretending. Magic's in the air when country life's unending. Magic's in the air when country life's unending. Fell soft on our tin roof, a rhythm of love so sweet and smooth. You held me close, our hearts in tune, beneath the silver light of the moon. Puddles formed on the gravel lane, but in your arms there was no pain. Your laughter danced with thunder's roll, a melody that warmed my soul. Love in the rain, so pure and true, every drop a memory of you. With her danced with thunder's roll, a melody that warmed my soul. Love in the rain, so pure and true, every drop a memory of you. With the storm, our hearts entwined, a love like ours, so rare to find. The world outside was washed in gray, but your eyes shone like summer day. We whispered dreams, old and new. The rain was our witness as they grew. Through mist and fog, we find our way, hand in hand, come what may. Your kiss, the calm in the storm's embrace, a love song written on heaven's face. Love in the rain, so pure and true, every drop a memory of you. With her danced with thunder's roll, a melody that warmed my soul. Love in the rain, so pure and true, every drop a memory of you. With the storm, our hearts entwined, a love like ours, so rare to find. Out in the desert where the tumbleweeds roam, a cowboy rides under a twilight dome, with a six-shooter gleaming, a hero unknown, spurs jingling softly as he rides on alone. Gunpowder lingers in the cold, dry air, smoke from a showdown that once crackled there. His hands swift and steady, his eyes fierce and bright, he brought justice to the dark of the night. Gunpowder lingers in the cold, dry air, smoke from a showdown that once crackled there. His hands swift and steady, his eyes fierce and bright, he brought justice to the dark of the night. Singing bang, bang,
moonlight glow. Stories of a hero that all cowboys know, with a heart like gold and a will like steel. When the town was in trouble, he'd always reveal. Tales told in saloons by the firelight warm, of a cowboy confronting the fiercest storms. Wandering freely, no town to call home, but always arriving when danger had grown. A shadow cast long by the dying sun's rays, riding into the west where the wild must stay. No plaque or memorial in the town's dusty square, but his legend lingers in the cool midnight air. Singing bang bang, the moonlight glow. Stories of a hero that all cowboys know, with a heart like gold and a will like steel. When the town was in trouble, he'd always reveal.